Good afternoon, sir. So here's my report about Admiralty notices to mariners. Admiralty notices to mariners. These are official notices issued by maritime authorities to inform mariners about important navigational safety information. They contain updates such as changes in navigational charts, hazards to navigation, new or changed regulations affecting navigation, and other relevant information that could affect the safety of ships and at sea. Weekly Edition 20. This likely refers to a specific publication or document released on a weekly basis, potentially by a government agency, company, or organization. 16 May 2024. This date refers to a specific calendar date, and its importance depends on the context. It could be significant for planning events, scheduling activities, or marking deadlines. Admiralty charts affected by the publication list. When Admiralty charts are affected by the publication list, it means updates have been made to related documents like sailing directions or timetables. This keeps sailors informed with the latest info for safe navigations at sea. Admiralty charts. An Admiralty chart is a map for ships giving detailed info about water depth, coastlines, and hazards. Sailors use these charts to plan routes, stay safe, and navigate through waterways. Admiralty charts and publications. Now published and available new editions of Admiralty charts and publications. The purpose of Admiralty Chart 410, titled West Indies, Cuba, Northwest Coast, Bahia del Mariel and approaches, is to provide detailed navigational information for mariners navigating the Bahia del Mariel area and its approaches along the northwest coast of Cuba. Admiralty charts and publications. Now published and available new editions of Admiralty charts and publication. The purpose of Admiralty Chart 2226 is to provide navigational information specifically for the Baltic Sea area encompassing Latvia at Estonia. Admiralty charts and publications to be published. Admiralty charts to be published 30 May 2024. Admiralty charts and publications to be published. This section likely indicates a schedule or plan for upcoming releases of navigational charts and associated publications by the Admiralty. Admiralty charts to be published 30 May 2024. This specifies a date 30th May 2024 for the release of new editions of Admiralty charts. New editions of Admiralty charts. The subsequent section details specific charts, like Chart 1141 mentioned, that will be updated and reissued with new editions. Chart number 1141, Malaysia, approaches to Pelabuhan, Sungai Udang, and Melaka. It covers the areas around Pelabuhan, Sungai Udang, and Melaka in Malaysia. The update includes revisions to depths, submarine cables, harbor limits, restricted and prohibited areas, anchorage areas, legends, and aids to navigation.